Okay, now entering the drift town. S14, I guess, with a very interesting paintwork. Okay, let's move on. The GR Supra. I'm guessing it hasn't spent too much time on the drift track, judging by the condition of the paintwork. It's still cool nonetheless. It's a B58, yeah! Okay, let's move on. Okay, here's the correction. It's an LSX with 2 turbos slapped on, and the owner and the driver of this car was kind of enough to tell me that it makes 1030 horsepower and 1200 Newton meters of torque. I'm guessing this is the most powerful drift car of this whole event. Okay, remember when I said that most of those E46s have the M50 or the M54? Okay, here's an exception. It's a 2JZ. Cool. Single turbo converted with nice intake manifold. Nice. Okay, let's move on. Okay. This might be a BMW engine, but not your typical M50 or M54 build, because I'm guessing it's the M62 or M60 V8 with a supercharger slapped on the top. Cool.
Możemy podotykać?
My video was interrupted by 2 ladies. Okay. The guy preparing the car for the photo shoot with the ladies. Okay. I guess we're gonna be staying here for a while. As you can see, doing photo shoot takes a lot of work and dedication. Here's an interesting one. The M113, the 5-liter. Cool. I didn't know these were used in drifting. You learn something every day, I guess. Well, I guess it makes sense as these engines make a lot of power down low. Nice. As you can see, you can drift a convertible as long as it says BMW.
Okay, well, lecimy
Drifting bird. It's crazy.
Mam nadzieję, że stanie jakiś link, żeby na razie.
What have we got here? It's a Mark I Ford Focus with a Go RWD license plate. What does it mean? I'm gonna show you in a while. It's pretty wicked. On the inside it's pretty basic. It doesn't have an SP body kit. It's narrow wide body. Doesn't matter. It's got the drum brakes in the rear. Nice. Okay, let's take a look on the inside. Got some gauge cluster. Pretty much what you would expect from a drift car. It's a pretty crazy build. Mark I Ford Focus with a 1.8 turbo. Yeah. As the owner tells me, it's making 280 at the crank. As you can see, it's mounted longitudinally with an RX-8 transmission, and it's sending its power to the rear wheels. Props for creativity, man. Okay, turns out these girls are following me because it's the second car I'm trying to shoot, and they're photobombing. But I'm not complaining. O kurde. To będzie na miniaturkę mówił na to, no. Dalej. Okay, it turns out it's an 1UCFE, the Lexus engine with two superchargers flat on. It's making like 560 horsepower and 700 Nm torque. Yeah, okay. It's pretty self-explanatory. Okay.